Hello! Welcome to Zippy Financial Setup Tutorial. First, what is Zippy Financial? Zippy Financial is a modern banking platform designed specifically for the real estate industry. At its core, Zippy Financial makes transactions between brokers, agents, and consumers fast, simple, and secure, and is most commonly used between brokers and agents to transfer payments and commission. But in addition to fast payments, Zippy Financial offers a full suite of financial products and services. The sign-up process for individuals is similar to other modern tools such as Venmo, and business accounts can be opened after a short verification process. When you log into Zippy for the very first time, you should have access to two companies, a brokerage account and your My Business account. Remember, your My Business account is equipped with financial management tools strictly for your individual business, not the brokerage financials. If you do not have access to My Business, please contact your company administrator. To navigate between both accounts, simply click on the account name that appears in the upper left corner of the page, and a drop-down will appear. If you're the broker or an administrator and want to set up Zippy Financial for their brokerage, select the name of the brokerage. If you're an agent, you'll want to set up Zippy Financial in your My Business account. Select the Marketplace menu item in the left navigation bar, then click Activate. Click Set Up New Account. You will now need to complete the Zippy Financial application. 1. Will this be an operating account or trust account? An operating account must be activated prior to establishing a trust account. 2. Type of entity. What is your business structure and how do you legally file your taxes? If you don't know, please ask your CPA before completing this application. Do take note that if the incorrect business type is selected, your application will be rejected or you will be asked to supply additional documentation. 3. Please provide your company's legal business name. 4. An employer identification number is a unique 9-digit number assigned by the Internal Revenue Service to business entities operating in the United States for the purposes of identification. 5. If your business has a website, select Yes and enter the URL. 6. Enter the phone number best associated with your business. 7. Physical address must match the address you have on your corporate documentation or business bank account. Please, no PO boxes or your application will be denied. The address you provide will be verified. It is helpful to use the same address on file with your bank account. If the address does not match, you will be required to provide additional documentation. 8. Review and agree to the terms of service. 9. Select the Agree and Continue button. If you select Individual, you'll notice the required fields differ slightly. Review the terms of service and privacy policies at the bottom, select the checkbox, then click Agree and Continue. Once you've created your Zippy Financial account, you'll be asked to connect a bank account. Click Connect My Bank Account to proceed. The default deposit account will be the default bank account for transfers or deposits from your Zippy Financial account. Click Continue. Zippy Financial integrates with Plaid, builds and maintains secure connections to more than 11,000 US financial institutions. You can read more about Plaid and their security measures at plaid.com. Click Continue to select your bank. Search and select your bank. Enter your bank login credentials, not your Zippy login credentials. Select the account you want connected to Zippy Financial. You'll need to repeat this process to connect additional accounts. If you see action required, this means there are a few additional steps needed to complete the setup. Click Complete Setup for instructions or submit additional information. If you are required to submit additional information, here are a few examples of the documentation you may need to provide. The IRS SS4 and Articles of Incorporation are for legal entities. Next, choose Create Default Account to create a default general ledger account for this bank unless you've already created a ledger account. Then you can select an existing account. Your Zippy Financial account will not be active until you select Create Default Account or select Existing Account. Representatives are either 1. An individual person that holds at least a 25% stake in the company, or 2. a controller, a person legally responsible for company finances and banking. This can be the same person as the company owner or a separate company controller. They will need the login credentials for the bank account being connected to Zippy Financial. Why do we need to know the beneficial owners? The short answer is to ensure compliance with the law. Anti-corruption sanctions and anti-money laundering requirements dictate this info needs to be collected. Certify the information by selecting the checkbox and click Continue. Congratulations! Your Zippy Financial account is active and ready to go. One final tip after setup: confirm the default operating account you want funds to be held. If you want funds held in Zippy Financial, select Zippy Financial, or if you want funds to be transferred to your bank, select the bank account. If you need any assistance, please take advantage of our community or contact our support team at community.zippy.co. Thank you.